This is Gather at Our Table, where we focus on simple techniques that make homemade food better. In this technique series, I share the small things that make a big difference in the kitchen. In this video, I want to share the 5 kitchen tools I reach for every single day. These aren't trendy gadgets or things that sit in a drawer. They're simple, reliable tools that make cooking at home easier, more consistent, and a lot more enjoyable. If you're looking to cook better food without overcomplicating things, these are the tools that actually matter. The first and most important tool in any kitchen is a good knife. A sharp knife isn't just about speed, it's about control and safety. When a knife is dull, you end up forcing it through food, and that's when mistakes happen. A sharp knife not only helps you cut things easily, but it's also nicer to work with when your knife is sharp and you're not fighting to cut through whatever it is that you're trying to cut. A good knife is only as good as the edge you maintain. That's where the second tool comes in. A knife steel is one of the most misunderstood tools in the kitchen. It's not for sharpening a dull knife, it's for maintaining a sharp edge. Every time you use a knife, the edge slowly bends and rolls. A steel realigns that edge, helping the knife cut cleanly and predictably again. Just a few light passes before you start cooking can extend the life of your knife and dramatically improve how it performs day to day. Using a steel regularly helps keep your knife sharp between sharpenings. It doesn't remove metal, it realigns the edge so the knife cuts cleanly and predictably. Once you have a good knife and you're maintaining the edge, what you cut on matters just as much. A wood cutting board or butcher block is one of the most overlooked upgrades in a home kitchen. Working with wood sounds better, it feels better, and it's much easier on your knife's edge. It gives slightly as you cut, which helps keep knives sharper longer. And unlike plastic boards, you're not shaving tiny plastic bits into your food over time. A well cared for board is durable, safe, and something you'll reach for every single day. Once you've got good tools in your hands, you need cookware that can actually keep up. A cast iron pan is one of the best investments you can make in your kitchen. They're affordable, they last forever, and they heat evenly once they're hot. When treated properly, cast iron becomes naturally non-stick, without any coatings that can flake off into your food. Cast iron also retains heat extremely well, which is what gives you that deep, even sear you just can't get from lighter pans. It's the kind of tool you buy once, take care of, and use forever. You can even pass it down to your kids and it's going to be in better condition. It actually gets better the more you use it. The last tools aren't flashy, but I use them every single day. Good utensils make cooking feel easier and more controlled. I use metal tongs and wooden spoons daily. Metal tongs are perfect for searing and sautéing. They let you move food confidently, flip proteins cleanly, and stay in control when the pan is hot. Wooden spoons are great for stirring. They're gentle on cookware, comfortable in the hand, and simple to use. Like everything else on this list, these are tools that last, work well, and quietly do their job. If this video was helpful, we'd love for you to subscribe and gather at our table.